Hi guys, this is Grishma Neupane and I'm originally from Nepal and now I'm currently living in the USA, North Carolina, and today I'm making this video on my CS50 final project, and the topic of my project is the calculator. So this video I'm presenting this on April 8th, 2025. Yeah, this took me more than a year to finally complete my final project. Yes, more than a year. Okay, so moving on to my EDX and GitHub profile. My GitHub username is Grish72 and my EDX username is my email. So this is my email and um, that's my EDX username. My final project, and the name of my final project is calculator.c. Yes, I did a C programming there, and this is actually a advanced calculator which can solve like basic calculations plus some advanced calculations too. It can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and it can do square root 2, exponential 2. It can also solve linear equations as well as quadratic equation. So for this I used a void function to like to solve this linear equation, and same for the quadratic equations as well. And as we go down there is my main function where I have used three data types. This is character, char. I don't know how do we pronounce it. Some people say car, some people say char. I'm not sure. So float and another float too for memory. So here I have given like I have provided some help for my users, for my calculator users, where I have provided some basic like info about how to use this calculator. So like basically plus sign is used for addition, minus for subtraction. Similarly, M for save results to memory, R for recalling memory, H for help, Q for quit, E for linear equation, and a small e for quadratic equation. So yeah, and as we go inside the main function, I used a while loop for this, like to choose the operation. So that's it. It's easy, simple, basic one. And for a square root, I asked user to choose a positive number, as we cannot choose negative numbers for square root. Yeah, that's it. So if operator says h, like type h, my calculator is gonna help them. Like if user types in h, my calculator is gonna help them. So it's gonna provide some basic information about that. And I did switch operator. I used switch operator for this addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, square root, exponential, memory recall, like linear, basic, linear, quadratic, and all. So yeah, down here I called these in the main function. So that's it. So let me show you how do we use this. How do we compile the code? Here we're just gonna do, as like every of our CS50 code, we are gonna do cd project, and it's gonna open, like it's gonna be in the directory project. And now /calculator.c. So as usual, it says / is a directory. So here now what we do is we are gonna use a different kind of compiler, as they showed us in like second or third week, I'm not sure. So here we are gonna use this compiler, clang O calculator dot C lm. So now if we use dot slash calculator dot C, oh yeah, sorry, I mistakenly used calculator dot C. Here we are supposed to use dot slash calculator. So if your dot slash calculator doesn't run, you're gonna do this. Do use that compiler first. So it shows welcome to my advanced calculator, and these are the operators for you. It gives all of these operators, information about these operators, and it asks us to enter an operation. So now I'm gonna use a basic one. Let's use divide this. Okay, so it's asking me for two numbers. Let me put 60 and 3. Okay, okay, and the result is 20, as 3 times 2 equals to 6. So 60 divided by 3 is 20. So it gave me true result. It's, yeah, it's on point. It works. Now what I want to use is exponentiation. I don't know this. Let's use 2, and then another number is gonna be 3. So it's gonna be 2 times 2 times 2. It's like 2 cube. So 2 cube is 8. So it gave us perfect accurate result. It's accurate and precise. So now I'm gonna use this R. As I already told you, R is memory recall. So R, let's type R into two numbers. It's still asking for two numbers, I don't know. It's recalled memory 0. So we have not used 2, 3. So let me type R again, and let's see 63 0. Recall memory. Let's see how that recall memory works. Yeah, now here it's asking two numbers. So yeah, I think it's on to the point. Yeah, it's good. It's good. Okay. So it says 0 recall memory. Now I'm gonna quit this as everything worked fine. So I'm gonna quit this, and it says exiting calculator. Bye. So bye guys. This is it. Signing off. Bye.